Keblei Pibaro Syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan mentang sengi Shillong. Deki post nem menta du khajana ke sorkar na ki karkhana penni dobilan. Bersyajur kiseng terekam lejong ya ke linti rel haiz jantia. Kajing penbena mining policy ukon rot sangma hakas nem arjar apulai. Kadetang kajing penbiet election. Bat ne slem kajing etai halor kerukom rep klem aidawai haying dorpa. Bat mentangin pasya ke Khubor bakam banyak. Kani kedai ke kenhon jong kinongelam jong kilai tali kiseng na rilom jantia bakentup NAKA Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters ke Janta Hills Truck Owners Association bat ke All Janta Hills Cement Clinker Association kiba minta kila thau kerpang ya ke senjuk ke ba kila ai kerteng ke Meghalaya Joint Action Committee banyak terelang nak kebenta ke bah kamiat jong kidekot jong kini ke laiseng ha ke bede bat ki kam bagi tere ha ke jeng kenduk bagi nong pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club ha ke ar pulai terik mentau benai Rymphang arjar arpusau kinong elam jong kini ke senjuk ha pok ke jeng lam khamat u chairman uba biang shwa Jylla bat u general secretary uba Enrico di Pasi Kilai thuak bahak ni kejuk kesengi kila lej IT da kador khas syau menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkol Sangma kibala thuak ahlor ki kaptu kat ni kimat jing dawa jongki kawai ni kimat jing dawa nak sorkar kalong ban bu no da ki khardop shim jing ken ya baro ki trok ki bakit mar po khandau sha pratali ki karkhana pen mi dobilat ki badan haiz Janta Hills district Namar kumba kalong menta judan jingken bat kitrok ki bakit daw yong ne emotion kikit kat bamon bat kini kawan raru e ke jingdo ke bakraw ke khajana ya ke sorkar Jylla.
Ji sing kemen ke bakraw mangi yo mangwan sele sha ka press club ana kran alor ke isu ki ba ngidon kampan pau macam ki nong tok Khubor agi jing de bat ka wei kedai kedal bang inform ni kene ki Meghalaya Joint Action Committee comprising kedai the Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters nanta ke Janta Hills Truck Owners Association nanta bat ka All Janta Hills Cement and Clinker Association tangi ngi lightly hangne ngi don lainut ki president hangne nando ngau Enrico di Pasi President jongga the Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters dan pasway President jongi mabalen tukru na gede President jongga All Janta Cement and Clinker Association dan sebagai bagi President jongi dari Biang Shwa Jylla dari President jongga seng Janta Hills Truck Owner Association dan ila form ni kini nato kini benar ladap ada ya kini ke Joint Action Committee Meghalaya Joint Action Committee dan dari dang takas ni ila yo ya talat bantuan ban deliver ke ai bang idol ya ka bang idai ban trai kumkan ne ka kadau bang form kumno min trai sakmat halo kan ne ka committee joni kadau de kunyo i ba kelahir ka jingka ki ka trai ka kata apo ka state Meghalaya yang ini kitrokas, yang ini suppliers, yang ini transporters, watro ngila i baka hiaro ka jing yolong ka revenue jong government, andre ngiwat ya kene kita ngi kwa ban queue ya revenue ya leakage kadon sibun na leakage revenue na government kadon ro ki da ba kuno yang ipat kata ka government ka dunong ngi ipat ba ngi ro nong ngi ki businessman ro ngi nong saya dan kata ngila Peit selib hai ini ngila kular ngila rai ban form ini ga Meghalaya Joint Action Committee ban monitor alor kini ki jongi harkit ka ba aga ka trega kata factories ka badon nang te apo sini sa East Janta Hills ngi ba ki cement factories dilah ban len kat ba kimon hado menta kisni ngi ba ki yo ban lat ban le kat ba kimon ladingi Peit ladingi ithoi pi jing sisa kalong ka ba pang kumsel ni pantip ya jing sisa bagi cement factory kilaban lekat ba kiman na kari ka bajangai ba na do na Punjab na ne nagiri na po na nagpo keleng ri India sa state tagiwan
Meghalaya Joint Action Committee kasenjuk kebakentup lang ya keseng Association of Meghalaya Traders and Transporters, Jylla Hill Truck Owners Association, barka All Jylla Hills Cement Clinker Association. Haka jingekren bat kinong patay Khubor, haka arpulai terik mentau benai Rymphang arhajar arpusau ha Shillong Press Club. Kalapan pau kajing persyajur halor kajing temu ke sorkar Meghalaya banwan ra ya ke linti rel haka district East Jylla Hills bat halor kini kesenjuk kala dawa na ke sorkar MDA ban pendam no ya kini kajing temu. Kini kesenjuk kala berngemru balada ke sorkar kam sngap ya kajing dawa jongki kimban se banwa de kiweipat kilat kilinti ban penbor ya ke sorkar da ke bapan jingkershan ru ne kiseng bhalang.
Set up kawe ke letira hangte ha chai hill ke railway station ta ngiling seng wilaya lum laya ba long meeting le port ke port ban bisa jor gene ga letira mar pele ba ngi persa gene ada cubu dewan letira singi ste ngi gi bubu gali ngi ba kamai jakpo ba sahayang kesam dekam ban transportation yakit kaba kejing do nong ke bakrau nama lada cubu dewan degarel kerel ke kit bit degi hajar ton ta ngi gi pinjai dikali ngi kit haga tang diakan haga capacity jong kali ngi pinjai dikata tayar arboson ton ta lada cubu dewan degli rel kin kini mar ke badan singi sete kan kit mat sisen kit lalun tada kit diga kali jongi tingi dang yok kam nang yok kamai digata gadaw ngi persajor tasagaweru ngi kumbalang ga state jongi ke berit tam na loga state ba donpo India tu cubu de wan de tira dore se dang wan gi dekha kena bar ki ba wan bhai snong cha ngi sangi ste ta ki dang digata gadaw ngi pediang rekum kita gi video ki ban mo ban kan mar ngi state kumbalang umta ngidang don state ke ba long ba tible kemudian chu ki ba ki kini ki ba bhai chidong lagi we ki chaka ki ban wan chidong jongi ta ga daw ngi kene ngi nei perchajur ada korban ka tre jubor ngi liang ka sen ngi aila ngi jing percha ben hadu ke banda mo hadu ke banda job wer lang baki NGO lagi perlu ki baju itu lang lagi kepor tentang kisah halang mo ikut ke jingkersan ban kersan lang bat ngi kum gede isu bagi korban gerang buat ban wanda sini sete tangga
haka arpulai terik mentau benai Rymphang arjar arpulai kesengi ke kesenjuk Meghalaya Joint Action Committee kadang kren beginong patai Khubor halor ki mat jing dawa jongka na sorkar Jylla haka ni kejuk kesengi President jong keseng All Jylla Hills Cement Clinker Association Uba balan tubru ulakan tak jur yu menteri rang bak ke Jylla halor ke jingkular tok jong haka senem arjar arpulai syuaban wan ke election jet nong mi kmat thamai syaka ying dorbar tauan ke Jylla da ka balik penbena haka leng ke Jylla baka mining policy kan setrekam no haka Jylla kat ba pausi hadu menta kim yu setia ya kata ke policy
arpulai kemud ke lawan ke government lawan chief minister panle celebrate apo clear it angtai tentang mining policy gitu ipai pa angtai po clear it baya ke mining policy la de ble baro na dong kalawan apo agustin la de politeness entah apo ada cara polite barang teh apo no style la le celebrate mereka belum mentah la cisne mentah latam cisne mentah nyok sneu kata mining kata nai tentang aku mendong alam jang keseng ngasai keli lagi department befair kumbelong mentah ke pau gini sini beladap kadang pau ya keren pau assembly bagi kata mining policy la jandep apa mentah cisne bila pun pau cimista nai dang si asli mentah anak sudah beli lagi department lagi amar lagi di position yang ya kata ada file 4 dan saya semua 4 kali bawan support di department begitu kamu tanggitin pun baik election tip hagan ukur kom tang Khubor election kata kemarin polisi kalak tanda. Tanai ngan kalian jangan ngasih kuat ban kentiu ya government. Yusuf Mister, ya kali kalain ai udai bar buat banyak nanti ini. Pondok ai udai bar buat umlak balik betul. Kamtam Shillong ke bacam quality. Lada ai gubernur ban ya ke berdik ke department ke don ke situ. Yang akan sakut stans nem tang Khubor Shillong. Khubor Shillong kan sakut. Kemla bandung cerita di department di badai bandung.
Kaladon kajing yatai ka pasani bha ka bede bakajing persyang ye kerukom rep klem ai dawai ne organic farming hapok ke Jylla ne commission organic. Haba jubab halor kajing kali bala wanra do nongyalam kaliang persya uba RV Lingdo bat bon ki MLA na kaliang ke menteri ketanat ke kam rep Karyang ke kong Amprin Lingdo kala pentep badon ki jaka rep kum haribhoy bat ki we ki jaka ki balaya shakmat hakini ke kam rep klem dawai.
From non-organic to organic practices, a small window was then decided as a policy by the Department of Agriculture. So the intention now is to ensure that we address this entire organic application in a phased manner. We have earmarked, or shall we say we have looked at the entire map of cultivable land, and we are now slowly increasing this and placing it under the map of organic farming. So this year, in the next 4 to 5 years, we expect to ensure that about 100 hectares of land will be cultivable under organic mission. Second question you asked, sir, can you repeat?
Outlets for these organically produced crops.
Beg your pardon, sir?
These outlets, markets to sell this, marketing of these organically produced crops, so that the customers will know where you can obtain those organically grown crops.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, we are now proud as a state of Meghalaya to talk about success stories. So there are success stories in the Rymphang areas. We have a particular company, farmers have agglomerated together. We have the Jylla organic agro farmers producers. Let me tell you the kind of things that these groups are doing. And today, we have even provided for this group, because of its high demand on certain producers of this over and above spices, also fruits now. So we've also provided them with additional support of the waxing machine to increase the shelf life of their produce. They have a high turnover. I don't have the detail of that latest high turnover. These producers are now being marketed not just to Indian markets, but also looking at markets abroad. That is what the department is now engaging in its various schemes. Then we also have another group, the Eastern Rymphang Organic Farmer Groups. So here as well, through this Mission Organic Value Chain Development for the Northeastern Region program, they are also marketing ginger, turmeric, amongst some of the other producers. We also have lay-by markets, where through the intervention, personal interest of the Honorable Chief Minister and his office, we are now going to be showcasing, not just showcasing, encourage sales in various huts across the state. We also looking at exchange of these producers through border huts and other outlets. There's a big plan under this mission, sir, and I'm confident that we will reach somewhere.
UMLA Congress na rilom garo usaleng e sangma hakasingit ho ding uloong bikidon ki jakasa jong ki pulit kilong ki bala isen e bha haba jubab yakani hayeng dorbar usembut menteri rangba bapet yakatanak pulit uba preston tensong uloong bikijupha maramot yaki quarter ne ki barak hadin bala pentep de ki SP ne DGP.
Yes, sir. B, sir, it is as per statement placed on the table of the House. C, sir, does not arise in view at A and B above.
Mr.
Speaker,
Sir.
yeah,
Yeah.
your supplementary question.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Home Minister in charge, Police, who has already laid a place answer on the House. But I still wanted to know whether the department has identified the bad conditions of those quarters and the barracks which is still not yet renovated. If there is, how many? Which is still not yet.
Yeah. Sir, I think, let me take a little more time to clarify on this issue, because the question was addressed to PWD building, not to home police exactly. So my reply here is, as far as PWD building is concerned, yes, repairing work is done, and this list has already placed on the table of the House according to the building register that we have. Then whatever small repairing takes place, requested by the concerned SP or by the concerned DGP, then PWD building does that. But when we talk about the totality of maybe new construction or complete renovation or improvement of the existing buildings, that is being taken care of by Home Police.
Why I'm asking this very question is this, Mr. Speaker, sir. Our police force on the ground, they've been working day and night, and then some of their quarters and the barracks are not in a situation where they can even stay with the family, even stay with the team also. That's why, if in the future, if those areas can be identified and then given good renovations, I think that would, I would like to suggest at least, identify the areas where the, sometimes in such barracks, it's like a slum area. I have seen that one.
UMLA ka Congress na rilom garo saleng sangma uloong biki brio banabar kishim kabui kitrai Jylla banle benami banlat neki khajna yakani ulapan pau halor ka jingkali balawan ra do UMLA ka BPP uba Arden basamot habay day bagajingle benami hapo ying dorba haba jubab halor ka jingkali umentri rangba u konrad ke sangma uloong bahadu menta danglap tangkawe ka jingja hapo ka benami Transaction Act.
May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, what is the reason why there has been only one detection in this case?
So there's no question of detection. This case is based on any kind of complaint that is lodged by individuals, and on the basis of that case is registered and investigation is done, sir. So there has been no formal complaint from anybody.
Sir, may I know whether the government has constituted committee or authority in each district as mandated by this act, sir?
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, then the committees will be set up, sir.
So, may I know, sir, when do we expect that the rules will come out?
So the rules are in fact already ready. So only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Bakar Khan, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
I just want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, is there any department to look after this Bedemi Transaction Act, sir?
So it's not, in this entire thing, sir, anytime that there is an issue or any person has complaints, sir, they are complaining to the magistrate and the first class magistrate or the SP in the particular district, sir.
Haka call intention balakot da kakong Santa Mary Shilla ke MLA na sutanga saipung kalakali ki sipai BSF kile ayu Minshwa ngi shanya bat ngitip bak BSF kide ki papikir bha bandaya ka rijongi na ka jingrung tu ki mende Henry minta ki BSF kimla ban asyu ka jing shanya ikibriyo Kalet hu ek jingja penyap yo rangba balisara bat kuwi kalong kemi kala sya penyap hadonaskur Ngakerpak juri ke sorkar ban but din halor kita ke jing mutulop ke sipai BSF bahkan don biang kesuk kesan kala kerpat. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula juba baka suloi bakibat kam terekam kumta ke sipai ke pet kerat ban lat ne ke jing syak bom hakinong Bangladesh. Bat ka kes kerangnya cakamat. Ula juba ru badang bun ki kaput hapeding ke Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh kidang long ki bae ban pet benya namar bampat don ki jingker babiang.
To the news item dated 6 January 2024, published in Salat online news portal under the caption, Suspected Bangladeshi nationals murdered Indian man for betel nut. Samla.
Yes, you may proceed.
I am thankful to the Honourable Speaker for admitting this call attention motion and giving me a chance to highlight these issues of great concern, which has shaken the peace and safety of the people living in the border areas of East Jylla Hills district and in and around Umkyang village. Sir, on the 6th of January 2024, around 15 to 16 Bangladeshi coming from Bangladesh site entered the border at Balasira, which is in India, Andalum Susky village, Umkyang, East Jylla Hills district, Meghalaya. They came with the motive to commit theft of betel nut inside the Indian territory. With this intruder met two Indian citizens, namely Sri Rahul Pottam and Sri Silvanas Dhar of Umkyang village, who were guarding their betel nut garden. The Bangladeshi attacked these two Indians with sharp and long knives. The two Indians did try to defend themselves, but they were overpowered by the Bangladeshi intruders who chased and attacked them fiercely. Sir, the two Indians tried to run and escape after seeing the Bangladeshi have charged towards them. However, one Indian, Sri Silvanas Dhar, also known as Chiang Dhar, was caught by the Bangladeshi and they brutally attacked him with knife and killed him on the spot. The attack was so brutal that one of the wrists of Silvanas Dhar was cut off and his body and head were full of major cuts. Sir, the incident had caused serious concern about the safety of our people along the border in and around Umkyang village and their produce. After the incident happened, a sense of fear spread and prevailed amongst the people, especially those farmers who have betel nut garden along the Indo-Bangla border. People were scared even to go to the garden because of this incident. So I am told by my constituent that Bangladeshi people freely enter and exit Indian territory in and around Umkyang village and commit theft of betel nut from the garden of our people, causing great financial loss to our people. Sir, the easy entry and exit of such foreign nationals makes me wonder as to what the border security force are doing along the border. People have expressed concerns about the capability and negligence of the BSF to protect our
Kanyo Trap Youth Council Rymphang District Hinegasngi ka Arpulai Trik Rymphang kalapelong da kajingeki Peace Rally da kabayat pat ba ya kabalasdang na umling kedai hadu hanong po shopping complex halor kanong rim bagi Peit ba basa hakitain kapot ki mat chipun ki jing e. Hakani kesngi lawan banya don bentalang nadu Presiden ke HYC Ribhoy uba Hercules Suting, usamla I Sawen Education Secretary Sengkami, usamla Tony Shilla Secretary HYC Ribhoy District, usamla Jackson Sotun Presiden MPUF Ribhoy, bat kidkot jang ke HYC Ribhoy District. Kumban chipin kenmau dang haki kendiat sengi, kaladon kejing syak twet kiriu Peit ba haki pulit asam. Dah kebakenok bagi penprai kejing tei ke asam, bat nalor kita kemat kesengkan penken mauru ia kesorkar halor kemat penbet put kebelasyo saateng bat kejing bomla kesorkar ban beteng ban chnai ke ying school hakli umwang kebala penpra dan kesorkar asam bat kiwe kejing bagi Peit ba kiting ko bat ke asam.
Sarma down down Vishwan Sarma down down Vishwan Sarma down down Vishwan Sarma down down Vishwan Sarma down down Asam Khomen down down Asam Khomen down down Asam Khomen NDA Khomen NDA Khomen
ang NEHU kaput kaba dan keleng sodong jong katem ribo jengi bat kane karali kaba ngiyai metasi kadai si benta bangi penpau sya ka sarkar Jylla ba kum kaseng kabam song klikti nadu balaseng ya ka bat hadu kini si benta kanun song thai na benta banyo ya ka jingsuk na benta ki produk pernam jengi hapo perda ipang ka mesim ipang ka danut jengi habangi sngo ka jingut jonggi produk pernam jengi tikum mengalaong nak por bangi kemikul samla imla ban syu kabrip ya ki kmat ka bangi I bat imla baset kelut dia ki skor ki ba ngiyo sngo habang ayo ban put kol nagi produk pernam jengi hapo berdar kumbas pau dang kena kena singi kadan kajing kaba hadu bikim nang yethya kim nang dem syu halor kajing syatwet na kita ki pulit asam halor kaneng aso bat penrem ya ki pulit asam bat kemjuru ya ka sarkar Jylla jengi kumbangi la saki kumbala pau hagi balat sa Khubor baladon kata kajing syak penpra jong tau mau nurim hante apo Jylla talong kaba gila keno balak keno da kita ki he jong ka asam ba ki penpra yo ta mau nurim henry ngila da perkhat bat ya nujur bat kajing le jong asam kajing penpra ka kampalat pot kajing penpra jong asam bat niya ka sarkar ban niya kajing penpra na kalian jong peba jong bei ki jeng hante po perda ki peba jengi bikin peratang monurim kila ai da ka FAR ki bat kila ai kawaran ares henry kumbing ila saki ka kring mang SSS school ka baladu arjar kat pra adu kani khlimat ka bamenta ka sarkar Meghalaya ngimi bahkan ai ka FAR persya ya ka sarkar asam hoi kumentri rong ba olong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kamdei ka pajam henry ki peba kisaki ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ka jam hadu kata-kata lada kam jam balai ki peba ki mat jenge nakapor hapo ka pedar jengi balai ki mla ban pasange ya gani gejing syak perabat balai ki mla syu ban cena ya gani ke school ka badan hapo klik wang bat kemdon bat kemdei te kita henry ki don ki wei ki ba ki syak pera hapo ki pedar ki jongi ya ki development ki bala wanra nang baka sarkar Jylla te gani ka ba suksi bat ka ba sukya hadu kata-kata bat ngaong nga kentu ya ka sarkar Jylla lagnum no kidai ban ya krana wara mardor ya gani ka jeng jong ki peba apo perdar bagi dei ban la no ban pa withdraw no ya ka FAR knang bagi ni produk pernam jengi kinyo sungsuk sungsan hante apo kaput namar adu menta ki bahing basem jengki
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakapukut tar hadu minesyam biang kublai shibon.